Hello, welcome to javaqueries.com. This is Nagendra Chanda, today's speaker at javaqueries.com. In this session, I'm going to teach how to develop a calculator program with basic arithmetic operations. As we know, everything begins by defining a class. So let's define a class, public class, and name it as calculator. And it is important to save our work always and name the same name, and I want to save into the session 7 calculator program. And let's define public method, that is main. So it is saved, and for this we need to display some messages on the console so that user can provide appropriate inputs. Calculator menu, and we want to tell him you can perform option 1 add, option 2 subtract, and option 3 quit. So it is nice to display for user to asking to enter his choice. Please enter your choice, and here it is important, let us not have ln, we just call system.out.print such that the cursor will stop here after the colon. And let us here one important class we should use is import java.util.scanner class. This class is useful for us to read inputs from user. So let's create scanner class object. Let's call this variable name as scanner keyword and new scanner, and this takes an input argument of the input stream, that is system.in. So I want to ask user to enter his choice. So we'll just move the line here so it will be appropriate to read. And now we want to read keyword next int, and we need to capture that int choice. And what we can do is here we can use the switch statement. Switch choice. Okay, if switch choice case 1, if the choice is case 1, then what we have to do, we have to accept two input parameters, int first number let us change this to keyboard instead of keyword, I'm sorry for that. And also it's a similar way, we'll just make it as second number. So but you know, as we asked for the option, similar way we'll ask user to enter option, please enter your first number. In the next similar way, please enter your second number, and I will use a new line character here. And I'll use a new line character so it always starts at the new line. And this is not next, I'm sorry, it's typo mistake, I just noticed. So now we want to display the total. So int total is equal to first number plus second number, and you say system.println sum of two given numbers is colon, and I will just concatenate my total sum here, and this is going to be my option, and after that I need to say break, and let us define case 2 later. And let us define case 3. Case 3 is like, just break, and here we'll just functionality not implemented, so we'll just display message operation not defined. Arithmetic operation not defined, and this one is like to exit the program. Okay, just to exit the program. And then what is the default option? So any other default options what they enter, if none of the above, it's wrong choice. Okay, and this completes your switch statement, and this is your, and let us go and compile from the command prompt, and we are in the right folder, C:\Java family Java queries session 7, and let's compile the program calculator.java, and we'll see what are the errors. So it is saying no class definition found calculator.java. Okay, I have to suppose to use compiler to compile, not the interpreter, and let's run the program. So option 1, enter first number, enter second number, and 22. So it exits the program. I hope you understood how to write simple logic for programs like calculator. If you have any questions, please feel free to post your questions at javaqueries.com. And thank you for listening this video. Thank you. Hello, welcome to javaqueries.com. This is Nagendra Chanda, today's speaker at javaqueries.com.